Okay, going to do a video on how to install a top-down, bottom-up cell shade. Once you get the shade unpacked, go ahead and go to the window and install your brackets. Mount the brackets evenly across the window. Once you have your brackets mounted evenly across the window, go ahead and snap the shade into the brackets. The front of the shade has a lip that will catch the front and then rotate towards the back. You'll hear a snap for each bracket. Go ahead and snap the handles onto the bottom rail at the center of the window. Do so for the rail for the top-down, bottom-up section. This would also be the same instructions for any cell shade cordless. If you don't have top-down, bottom-up, you wouldn't have the top rail, you just have one at the bottom rail. Once everything's done, go ahead and test your shade to make sure it's working properly by sliding both rails all the way up and all the way down. And that's all it takes.